regulation of blood pressure. See, blood pressure there are two blood pressures are there. One is short-term regulation and long-term regulation. There are two regulations are there. One is short-term regulation and long-term regulation. In short-term regulation, you will be discussing, that is, it's coming neurological control. Clear? And in long-term regulation of blood pressure, you know what is set point? 120 by 80 is not same for everyone, right?
Yes.
For some it may be 130, 185, but set point is each and every person is having set point level for blood pressure. For example, for me, 140 or 135 or 85 is set point for me, right? And my biological system will always try to keep the blood pressure at the set point for mine, right? For you, it may be 120/80. So your biological system will try to maintain that set point, right? For example, if blood pressure increases for me from 135 to 140, there are some system in my body which will try to bring the blood pressure back from 140 to 135. Set point में लेके आने के लिए कोशिश करेगा. There are some biological system which we are going to discuss. And अगर blood pressure कम हो गया, 135, 130 हो गया, right? For me it's not normal. For me it's 135 or 135 if it is normal, it will increase the pressure. So that is set point. Biological system will try to maintain this set point for the each and every individual, right? So how it is maintained? So if BP, for example, if for me it is 120/80 is the set point, right? And if 130 ho gaya systolic blood pressure, so what happens? Neurological system will activate and it will try to bring the blood pressure back to 120, right? Immediately. Within a fraction of a second, it will try to correct. That is called short-term regulation, immediate regulation, right? If the short-term regulation does not work, then long-term regulation will come into play where many systems are involved, right? What are the systems? Lung, clear, kidney and liver, adrenal gland. So there are so many organs which will try to correct the blood pressure. Either if it is increased, it will reduce. If it is decreased, it will increase. That is long-term regulation. It will take 2 to 3 days time. But this neurological regulation, it acts very fast, immediately within a fraction of a second. So today we are going to discuss short-term regulation, how the blood pressure is corrected immediately, right? Okay. So first is, in short-term regulation, that is neurological regulation, first we will discuss what happen if blood pressure is going high. क्या होता है, right? Okay. One second. Right. What is this? Right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. What is this? Aorta. Right. From aorta, 3 branches. याद है क्या? 3 branches we discussed. What is left? Okay, here, okay. And what is next? बोलो जल्दी बोलो. Yes, you're right. This is left subclavian artery. This is left common carotid. And this is right, brachiocephalic trunk. And this is right subclavian artery. And this is right common carotid, internal common carotid, external common carotid, internal common carotid. These are the arteries, branches we discussed already, right? So here in internal common carotid, there is a swelling here. यहाँ पे क्या था हमने क्या पढ़ा था हमने? Okay, यहाँ पे क्या था वो? Carotid body and aortic body are the bifurcation. भूल गया क्या? What is carotid sinus? See, what is this? Left, fast, left subclavian, and this is common carotid. Left common carotid. Left common carotid it divides into two. This is internal. This is internal common carotid. This is external common carotid. Right? So common carotid artery it divides into two, internal and external. Right? If you see internal common carotid, here there is a swelling. दिख रहा है क्या? Yes. This is called carotid sinus. Don't confuse with carotid body and carotid sinus. Carotid body कहाँ पे है? Where is the carotid body? Where we studied carotid bodies? Peripheral chemoreceptors. Where is it? Location? Right side. At the bifurcation of the internal and external carotid artery. यहाँ पे this gap. यहाँ पे क्या है? Some carotid bodies are there, which is the chemoreceptors. Chemoreceptor means they sense the chemicals in the blood. That is partial pressure of oxygen, partial pressure of carbon dioxide को sense करता है. But that is called carotid bodies. And this is called carotid sinus. Carotid sinus are nothing but the swelling in the internal common carotid. Where is internal? There are two internal common carotid, right? Right. See, this is brachiocephalic trunk. Brachiocephalic trunk divides into two. One is right subclavian and common carotid. Right common carotid. This is left common carotid. यहाँ पे जाता है, ऐसा जाता है, right? फिर यहाँ पे divide होता है, divides into two. One is external. मैंने बोला था उस दिन facial artery यहाँ पे external carotid का branch है वो. Internal carotid अंदर जाता है ना? It goes up to the brain. तो जहाँ पे bifurcation होता है, see in both the internal, this is right है या left है? Right. हाँ, this is right carotid sinus. This is left carotid sinus. So this is what I want to teach you now. Okay. See, so here, so this is okay. So this is left common carotid. This is external and this is internal. Internal में swelling है, right? This is called carotid sinus. And यहाँ पे this is external carotid artery. Who is talking at the back? And this is carotid internal carotid artery. Internal carotid artery. This is left. This is right. So here, this carotid sinus is baroreceptor. receptor. Chemoreceptor मतलब क्या है? They sense the chemicals which is present in the कौन सा blood है? Arterial blood, right? And this is baroreceptors which is presenting at the internal. Baro means pressure. Receptor means it senses the pressure, right? That is the meaning for baroreceptor. So from here, okay, and थोड़ा से पढ़ा रहा हूँ. Cut section of spinal cord, right? So here the information from the so there are the sensory nerve endings from carotid sinus. It goes to the central nervous system through vagus nerve. पता है vagus nerve? Vagus nerve पता है ना उससे? 10th cranial nerve. Vagus nerve is 10th cranial nerve. 10th cranial nerve is a sensory and motor. It's a mixed nerve, right? Sensory information from the carotid sinus through vagus nerve, right vagus nerve and left vagus nerve. It takes information to the medulla. This is midbrain. That is pons and medulla oblongata. In medulla oblongata, there is a place. In medulla oblongata, there is a nucleus which controls blood pressure. Medulla oblongata is very sensitive area. You know, some part of the medulla oblongata it comes out of the कौन सा फोरामेन? स्कल में लार्ज फोरामेन क्या है? नेम स्कल अभी नहीं हुआ. Okay, so part of the medulla it is out of the skull. You know, medulla is a very medulla में क्या क्या सेंटर है? Respiration का भी वहीं पे सेंटर है. Even for heart is also there is a center. है ना? There is a collection for in respiratory system. Dorsal respiratory group of neuron, ventral respiratory group of neuron, फिर apneustic center, pneumotaxic, ये सब कहाँ पे पॉन्स और medulla में है. Medulla is a very sensitive area. That is why ना suppose someone is hanging, right? है ना? तो first है ना medulla break होता है, right? तो medulla में सारे center respiratory arrest, cardiac arrest immediately. That is why ऊपर क्यों देख रहे हो तुम? Right? तो immediately medulla oblongata rupture होता है. That is why medulla oblongata, यहाँ if someone is beat here है ना, if you get severe injury here, immediately the person will die because main centers are respiratory center and cardiac center is present in medulla, lower part of medulla and upper part of the medulla. Okay. So this is here there is a neuron, collection of neuron. What is it called? Collection of neuron in central nervous system. हाँ, group of cell body को क्या बोलते हैं central nervous system में? Collection of cell body inside central nervous system, collection of cell body outside central nervous system. क्या है वो? बोलो जल्दी बोलो. Difference between ganglion and nucleus. कितना बार बताया? Nucleus is collection of cell body within central nervous system. Ganglion is collection of cell body outside central nervous system. So यहाँ पे collection of central nervous system मतलब यहाँ पे क्या है? Nucleus है क्या ganglion? Nucleus. So there is a nucleus in the medulla oblongata. The name of the nucleus is tractus हाँ? हाँ? किसने बताया?
DRG वाले टॉपिक में
पढ़ा था? Solitarius. There is an area called tractus solitarius, which is the main control for respiration, blood pressure. Okay. So this information it goes to where? Tractus solitarius. Suppose if blood pressure is increased, for example, अब मेरा एग्जाम्पल क्या दिया हमने? 130 हो गया, 120 से 130 हो गया, स्लाइटली इंक्रीज हो गया. So cardiac output is increased. So what will happen? All the arteries will stretch more, right? Carotid sinus also will stretch because blood is coming more now. Because pressure क्यों increase हो गया? क्योंकि stroke volume ज़्यादा है. Instead of 70 ml, now it is 80 ml. So all the arteries are stretching now. So this artery will stretch, this artery will stretch, this artery will stretch, this will stretch, this will also will stretch, right? So this is carotid sinus, right? Imagine this is carotid sinus, and there is a neuron, right vagus and left vagus, right, taking information from carotid sinus, right? And here there is a sodium channels are there. पढ़ा होगा ना? हो गया sodium channel? Okay. यहाँ पे sodium channels है, nerve endings में, vagus nerve endings में sodium channel, right? When the carotid sinus is stretching, right? So what will happen? So when this is stretching, then what will happen? The sodium channel will open, right? They are mechanoreceptor. Mechanical event में these channels are otherwise called as, these receptors are always also called as mechanoreceptors, right? So what will happen? Sodium, extracellular sodium is more. Extracellular में sodium is more. Sodium influx will occur, right? When sodium is moving into the neurons, what will happen? Action potential will, resting potential will go to threshold potential, and action potential will fire. The nerve will fire, right? So what will happen? Now the nerve is stimulated and it is going and giving information to the tractus solitarius that blood pressure has gone high. समझ में आया? When blood pressure is normal, carotid sinus will not stretch. When carotid sinus is not stretched, sodium influx will not occur. तो उस टाइम क्या है? It will not send any impulse. When blood pressure from set point, सबका एक set point है ना, उस set point से अगर ज्यादा हो गया तो artery will stretch and neurons will stretch, sodium will enter, threshold potential will go to, resting potential membrane will go to threshold potential. Cell का हो गया ना class, right? From resting it will go to threshold. When it reach threshold, then action potential starts to right and left vagus nerve take information and give information to the tractus solitarius. The blood pressure has been increased. Now, tractus solitarius should do something to reduce the pressure. Now, what topic we are discussing? Short-term regulation. Short-term regulation. Long-term नहीं है, short-term regulation. Right? So now what will happen? So there is a center, two more centers. So this tractus solitarius, it has three functions. Tractus solitarius, it does three functions. So I tell this three functions and I'll complete the lecture. First is, it will stimulate cardiac inhibitory center. It will stimulate cardiac inhibitory center. What is cardiac inhibitory center? See, suppose imagine this is cardiac inhibitory center. What is the function of cardiac inhibitory center? From cardiac inhibitory center, the neurons come and it stimulates the SA node and AV node. Right? So this system is parasympathetic system. Parasympathetic neurons comes from cardiac, what is this inhibitory center, right? What will happen? It releases acetylcholine, neurotransmitter acetylcholine. सुना है क्या? नहीं हुआ अभी तक सब? Okay. See, अभी tractus solitarius knows that blood pressure increased. तो tractus solitarius तीन काम करेगा. पहला काम क्या करेगा? It will inhibit cardiac what center? It will stimulate cardiac inhibitory center. Stimulate मतलब plus sign. Cardiac inhibitory center को stimulate करेगा, right? क्या stimulate किया तो क्या होगा? Now this is stimulated and it releases acetylcholine. एक neurotransmitter है. It goes and release acetylcholine in SA node and AV node. So what will happen if acetylcholine is released? Now the SA node and AV node will start beating, giving impulses slowly. है ना? They are the pacemaker है ना of heart, right? They are the main stimulation for heartbeat. तो SA node, AV node अभी क्या आराम से धीरे से वो सिग्नल भेजेगा. तो heartbeat क्या हो जाएगा? Low हो जाएगा. If heartbeat is reduced, heart rate is reduced, क्या reduce होगा? Cardiac output is equal to stroke volume and heart rate, right? Heart rate कम हो गया तो cardiac output कम हो जाएगा. Cardiac output कम हो जाएगा तो हो गया तो systolic blood pressure प्रेशर कम हो जाएगा. सिस्टोलिक ब्लड प्रेशर कम हो गया तो स्टेज कम हो जाएगा. स्टेज कम हो गया तो सोडियम इन्फ्लक्स बंद हो जाएगा. तो फिर सिग्नल नहीं जाएगा. तो नाउ दिस विल मेक श्योर दैट ब्लड प्रेशर हैज गॉन नॉर्मल. ये पहला काम है, राइट? ट्रैक्टस सॉलिटेरियस, यू कैन सी वेयर इज ट्रैक्टस सॉलिटेरियस इन कंप्लीट एनाटॉमी. कंप्लीट एनाटॉमी में सर्च करो, ट्रैक्टस सॉलिटेरियस के लोकेशन आपको पता चलेगा. ये पहला काम है. सेकेंड, व्हाट इज इट? इनहिबिट कार्डियक स्टिमुलेट एक्सेलेटरी सेंटर. एक्सेलेटर सेंटर इनहिबिट एक्सेलेटरी सेंटर. समझ में आया क्या? पहले स्टिमुलेट कार्डियक इनहिबिटरी सेंटर, नाउ इनहिबिट कार्डियक accelerator center. So what is it? Where is it? So there is one more center. I'll give another color. There is one more center which is called as CAD.
Cardiac accelerator center.
Can I make this diagram more clear यहाँ पे? पीछे से आवाज आ रहा है, कौन पता नहीं है. Okay. Okay. So what is this? Tractus solitarius. And what is this? Cardiac. बोलो जल्दी. Cardiac inhibitory center. And तीसरा है cardiac acceleratory center. Cardiac acceleratory center. इसको क्या किया? स्टिमुलेट किया और इसको Inhibit किया. What is cardiac axillary center? Cardiac axillary center from here, you know there is lateral horn यहाँ पे. Lateral horn भी anterior horn, posterior horn, lateral horn, तीन horn होता है, right? तो it comes and first order neuron यहाँ पे आता है, फिर second order neuron, you know what is second order neuron, right? And this is third order neuron. This is ganglion, right? What is ganglion? Collection of cell body outside central nervous system, and these are the nucleus, right? So from here the descending neuron, first order neuron comes and give connection to lateral horn, and from here second order neuron goes and give. This is called preganglionic fiber, ganglion का पहले का fiber, and this is called postganglionic fiber, and this also it is having connection with SA node and AV node, right? Now this is sympathetic nervous system. This is sympathetic, and this is sorry यहाँ से जो गया है वो parasympathetic. कहाँ से? Inhibitory center से गया वो parasympathetic system. यहाँ से जो गया वो sympathetic nervous system को क्या किया? Inhibit किया. And इसको क्या किया? Stimulate किया. किसको? इसको स्टिमुलेट किया और इसको इनहिबिट किया. सो ट्रैक्टस सॉलिटेरियस क्या करता है? पैरासिम्पथेटिक सिस्टम को स्टिमुलेट करता है और सिंपैथेटिक सिस्टम को इनहिबिट करता है. समझ में आया क्या? नॉर्मली सिंपैथेटिक सिस्टम क्या करता है? हार्ट को एक्सीलेट है ना ये. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज कॉल्ड एक्सीलेटरी सेंटर. एक्सीलेटरी सेंटर मतलब इट विल टेल हार्ट टू बीट, राइट? नाउ व्हाट इट इज टेलिंग? डोंट बीट. Inhibit किया तो क्या होगा? It will tell don't beat. That so it will suppress. It will keep suppressed, and यहाँ पे epinephrine, norepinephrine सुना है क्या? Norepinephrine is released here. Norepinephrine if it is released, so again norepinephrine is having opposite action. Acetylcholine or norepinephrine or is having opposite action. When norepinephrine is released, further SA node and AV node is getting is suppressed. So further heart rate goes down and BP goes down. Third and last. Third is it. Third point. Okay, come here. Third point is it stimulates. It is having effect on vasomotor center. What is vasomotor center? There is one more center here in the spine, in the medulla. क्या color देंगे? Green. Okay. So this is vasomotor center. सब physiology book में दिया है. देख लेना. All everything I am taking on symbolism only, right? तो vasomotor center को भी वो क्या किया? इनहिबिट करेगा. इनहिबिट, राइट? वैसोमोटर सेंटर को इनहिबिट किया. तो वैसोमोटर सेंटर व्हाट इट डज? It supplies the veins and it supplies the arteries, right? And it supplies the adrenal gland. कहाँ पे adrenal gland पता है? किडनी के ऊपर है, right? टोपी पहना हुआ किडनी, राइट?
समोसा लाइक स्ट्रक्चर.
फिर केचप? अच्छा, ब्लड इज केचप. ओके. सो वहां पे इनहिबिट करता है, एड्रिनल ग्लैंड को सप्रेस करता है. और व्हेन हियर दिस इज आल्सो सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम. this one and this one is sympathetic nervous system, this is parasympathetic nervous system. So what will happen? This is also what? Inhibitor, right? These two nerves are inhibited. What will happen if this nerve is inhibited? There will be dilation of the veins. So this is vein. यहाँ पे vein है, this is artery, right? Veins will dilate. We know dilation will occur when the vasomotor center is stimulated. It will tell all the veins to dilate, and it will give information to the arteries also, and then it will tell to dilate. When arteries are dilated, total peripheral resistance is reduced. When veins are dilated, what will happen? Venous return reduced. प्रेशर नहीं है ना, वेन्स अगर डायलेट हो गए तो ऊपर नहीं जाएगा ब्लड, तो ब्लड venous return will reduce. If venous return is reduced, यहाँ से कहाँ जा रहा है ब्लड? नीचे जा रहा है. यहाँ से कहाँ जा रहा है? लंग जा रहा है, राइट? एंड लंग से कहाँ आ रहा है? लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल. लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल से नीचे आ रहा है, राइट? एंड यहाँ से कार्डियक आउटपुट है. तो यहाँ वीनस रिटर्न कम हो गया तो कार्डियक आउटपुट भी कम हो जाएगा. कार्डियक आउटपुट कम हो गया तो सिस्टोलिक ब्लड प्रेशर कम हो जाएगा. एंड नाउ दिस विल, by these three methods, blood pressure goes down, and when blood pressure goes down, the carotid sinus no more stretch and no more signals to the tractus solitarius, and it will make sure that blood pressure is corrected immediately. ये fraction of second में होता है, right? For example, if you are laying down, and suddenly if you get up, क्या होता है? ब्लड प्रेशर चेंज होता है ना, इंक्रीज होता है. बिकॉज ऑफ पोस्चरल करेक्शन, पोस्चरल चेंज, ब्लड इमीडिएट फॉर फ्यू सेकेंड्स है ना, ब्लड प्रेशर, कार्डियक आउटपुट इंक्रीज होता है. इमीडिएटली 1 मिनट में क्या होता है? ब्लड प्रेशर कम हो जाता है. क्यों? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एक्टिवेशन ऑफ न्यूरोलॉजिकल सिस्टम, दैट इज short-term regulation of blood pressure. Any doubt? And you can see in the whatever the points which I have told. क्या new words सुना है? Tractus solitarius, axillary center, cardiac inhibitory center, carotid sinus, carotid artery, vagus nerve, vaso, everything. If you search in option है, उसमें option आता है ना उसमें. Here, search में, you search one by one, right? You will get everything on the image. एक बार revise कर, कहाँ है एक बार देख लेना कंप्यूटर anatomy. Any doubt? So long-term regulation we will discuss next class. It will take 2-3 lectures, right? Okay.